Learn French. Food-oriented words and sentences. Cheese.
Fromage.
Cheese.
Fromage.
Like.
M.
Like.
M.
I like cheese.
J'aime le fromage.
I like cheese.
J'aime le fromage.
Butter.
Beurre.
Butter.
Beurre.
My.
Mou.
My.
Mou.
Brother.
Fort.
Brother.
Fort.
My brother.
Mou fort.
My brother.
Mou fort.
Now we will go for sentences. At the end of this video, you will be able to remember at least 25 words by our memory power technique. My brother
Mou fort.
likes
M.
butter.
Libre.
My brother
Mou fort.
likes
M.
butter.
Libre.
When we read the sentence together, the pronunciations change. Listen the sentence carefully. My brother likes butter.
Mou fait mille beurre.
My brother likes butter.
Mou fait mille beurre.
Bread.
Pain.
Bread.
Pain.
My.
Mou.
My.
Mou.
My.
Ma.
My.
Ma.
When we use my for female, it is ma. When we use my for male, it is mo. Let's see that again. My.
Mou.
This is for a male person. My.
Ma.
This is for the female. Sister.
Sa.
Sister.
Sa.
My sister.
Ma sa.
My sister.
Ma sa.
My sister
Ma sa.
likes
M.
bread.
Lis pas.
My sister
Ma sa.
likes
M.
bread.
Lis pas.
My sister likes bread.
Ma sa. Lis pas.
My sister likes bread.
Ma sa. Lis pas.
My brother
Mon frère.
likes
M.
bread.
Lis pas.
My brother
Mon frère.
likes
M.
bread.
Lis pas.
When we read the whole sentence, the pronunciation in French changes. Listen carefully. My brother likes bread.
Mon frère. Lis pas.
My brother likes bread.
Mon frère. Lis pas.
We.
Nous.
We.
Nous.
Like.
M.
Like.
M.
Pizza.
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 Sandwich.
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 We
Nous.
like
M.
pizza.
Les pizzas.
We
Nous.
like
M.
pizza.
Les pizzas.
We like pizza.
Nous aimons les pizzas.
We like pizza.
Nous aimons les pizzas.
When we read the whole sentence, the pronunciation in French changes a bit. Let's repeat. We like pizza.
Nous aimons les pizzas.
We
Nous.
like
M.
sandwich.
La sandwich.
We
Nous.
like
M.
Sandwich.
La sandwich.
We like sandwich.
Nous aimons sandwich.
We like sandwich.
Nous aimons sandwich.
Pasta.
Pat,
Pasta.
pat.
Let's have a quick revision. I hope you will remember these words. These must look familiar now. Cheese.
Fromage.
Cheese.
Fromage.
Like.
Aime.
Like.
Aime.
Butter.
Beurre.
Butter.
Beurre.
My brother.
Mouffe.
My brother.
Mouffe.
My sister.
Master.
My sister.
Master.
Bread.
Pain.
Bread.
Pain.
We.
Nous.
We.
Nous.
Pasta.
Pâte.
Pasta.
Pâte.
Pizza.
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 Sandwich.
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 Now we will have a very quick revision just in 5 seconds. Stay tuned. Subscribe our channel now.